goddamn Giovanni fucking sucks.
Ooh.
He like a squirrel eating nuts.
Ooh.
He taking those nuts in the butt.
Ain't no bees.
Your clique full of stupid sluts.
Oh.
No, he can't take the truth out. His jokes fucking suck.
Sheesh.
No, he ain't got no game. Honestly, he'll never fuck. I can say a lot, but I just won't say much. Yeah, he'll be alone forever. Won't feel a loving touch. I know that you'll be alone. Don't even got verse like cologne.
Oh crap.
Oh, shit. Bro, boy can't got the V-loan.
Oh.
I know your bitch left for the clone.
Yo, mom.
All your jokes aren't funny. Around you is bloom and not sunny. Compared to you, I'm sweeter than honey.
Oh, shit.
Why you so poor? Just go get some money. Bro, you're so lonely. Probably cause you're in band. Had a good girl if only. Nobody wants you as they man.
Fuck you.
The spitting image of your dad, but you wouldn't know cause he left you. Stop lying, know you aren't bad. But probably.
Fuck you.
Man, fuck you. This is my song. You're not even supposed to be here, dumbass.
Fuck you.
Man, fuck you,
So we're
dickhead.
freestyling now?
Yeah, let's freestyle, bro. Spit some bars, spit some bars.
About myself?
Yeah, spit some bars.
I'm a lonely fuck.
On his dick, I'm trying to.
I'm a lonely fuck. I'm trying with these girls, but I ain't finding luck. I'm a sitting duck. Yeah, fuck you know.
I'm trying.
I'm trying.
I'm trying.
Nah, it's a lie. I'm just trying to get by.
Bro, a whole lot of gang shit.
I suck dick.
Gang, gang.
Noah's dick.
Gang, gang.
Everybody's dick.
Let's go.
Even girls' dick.
A whole lot of gang shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit.
I'm on these bitches. They on me ass. ghhjghjkghjg. You know she pegging me.
Yeah, let's go.
ghhjghjkghjg, she pegging me. Guess what? She got a D. And me too. She got a big
dick
knee.
and she pegging you. Damn.
Her knees are the size of the sea. She giving me that good D. I'm a sorry ass.
We know.
Fuck you. I suck. Yeah. Figure it out. Freestyle.
Let's go, let's go. Yeah, yeah.
Baby, I'm baby.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm baby.
Let's go. Oh. You sucked off me, you sure I ain't gay? You had no socks on, like, throughout that day?
Bro, you're not supposed to tell them about that. Like, come on, bro. It was one time thing. One fucking time thing.
Like,
fuck you, man.
You was
I
there
thought it was
sucking my
supposed to be a
dick,
joke,
like-
man. Fuck you, man.
oh,
Fuck
you
you.
sucked my dick as a joke?
Wacky Slice!